Welcome back with me, Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Vapormax Plus Wolf Grey colorway. So let's check it out. As you can see here on the first sample, the outsole here is looking darker on the fake one compared to the authentic, and also the circle here is a little bit to the right, is slightly to the right compared to the authentic. Another sample you can see here, the Nike swoosh is too close with the stitching. There is no gap here compared to the authentic. The authentic is a little bit, it has a little bit gap here. And also the circle here is slightly to the right and it's a little bit come up. According to the authentic is centered. Another sample again, you can see here, still same. The Nike swoosh here, too close. This one is slightly to the right. And moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you can see here, the circle still same, slightly go down. It's not centered like the authentic. And this one also, the circle is a little bit smaller and slightly to the right. According to the authentic here, it's placed right in the middle or centered. Another sample again, always like this. Moving on top of the shoes, you can see here on the tongue here, the tag is a little bit darker on the fake one compared to the authentic. And moving to the back of the shoes, as you can see here on the marking area, the stitching is looking crooked, too narrow here. It's not consistent like the authentic. And also the circle here is slightly go down. It's too close with the midsole here, and this one also you can see here the gap between the midsole and the circle here is too close, and also stitching is a little bit crooked. And also again you can see there is a white glue here, white glue stain right here, and the gap is too close. Moving to the outsole here, the Nike swoosh here on the fake one is looking much darker than the authentic one, and this one also you can see here is looking a lot more bigger. Nike swoosh is a lot more bigger and also much darker than the Nike swoosh on the authentic one. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any question, just write down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next video.